Square Capital Loan Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most small business owners get this wrong. They think all loans are the same, but in 2025, fintech lending has evolved, and Square Capital is a unique player in the game. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Square Capital loans to determine whether they are truly worth it or if you should leave them behind. Let's start with the basics. Square Capital is the lending arm of Square, the popular payment processing company. Its primary goal is to help small businesses access capital quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional bank loans, Square Capital uses data from your Square account like sales history and transaction volume to determine eligibility, which allows for faster approvals and less paperwork. Here's how Square Capital loans work. 1. Eligibility and application. Square automatically evaluates your account to see if you qualify for a loan. There's no credit score requirement for eligibility. Instead, your approval is based on your business sales volume and processing history with Square. Once you're eligible, you'll receive an offer directly in your Square dashboard. 2. Loan amounts. Loan sizes vary based on your business sales data, but typically, they range from a few $1,000s up to $250,000 in 2025. Square calculates a loan amount that aligns with your daily revenue and your ability to repay comfortably, minimizing the risk of default. 3. Repayment structure. Unlike traditional loans with monthly payments, Square Capital loans are repaid as a percentage of your daily card sales. For example, if your repayment rate is 10% and you process $1,000 in sales today, $100 will automatically go toward your loan balance. This dynamic model adjusts with your cash flow, making it easier for businesses with fluctuating revenue. 4. Repayment term. Loan terms are typically short, ranging from 6 to 18 months. Because the repayment is a fixed percentage of daily sales, the term can vary slightly depending on your business performance. 5. Fees, not interest. Square Capital charges a fixed fee instead of traditional interest. The fee is disclosed upfront, so you know exactly how much you'll repay. There are no hidden fees, and prepayment doesn't incur a penalty, making it a transparent borrowing option. 6. Fast funding. One of Square's biggest advantages is speed. Once you accept an offer, funds can be deposited into your account within 1 to 2 business days, which is a huge benefit for businesses needing quick capital to cover inventory, payroll, or unexpected expenses. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of Square Capital loans in 2025. Pros. Quick access to funds. With approval often in minutes and funding in days, Square Capital is one of the fastest ways for a small business to secure capital. Flexible repayment. Payments adjust based on daily sales, easing the burden during slow periods. No credit score requirement. Eligibility is based on your Square sales data, making it accessible for businesses with poor or limited credit. Transparent fees. The fee is fixed and disclosed upfront, so there are no surprises. No prepayment penalty. You can pay off a loan early without additional costs, which is helpful if business is booming. Integration with Square. Seamless integration with Square's payment ecosystem makes management simple and efficient. Cons. Limited to Square users. Only businesses processing payments through Square are eligible. If you use another payment processor, you're out of luck. Higher effective cost. While fees are fixed, some businesses may find that the effective APR is higher than a traditional bank loan, especially for short-term loans. Small loan sizes for new businesses. If your sales volume is low, the loan amount offered may not be sufficient to cover major expenses. Automatic payments. The repayment structure is automatic, which may impact cash flow if your sales suddenly drop. Consider real-world examples. Maria's Bakery. Needed $15,000 to cover seasonal inventory. She received an offer through Square Capital, accepted it, and had the funds in 2 days. Because her sales increased during the holiday season, the percentage-based repayment was manageable, and she cleared the loan in 9 months. James, a boutique clothing store owner. Used Square Capital to bridge a slow period. Even with sales dipping, the repayment automatically adjusted, preventing financial stress. The loan fee was slightly higher than a traditional bank loan, but the speed and flexibility outweighed the cost. Liam, a new cafe owner appreciated that he didn't need perfect credit to access funds. His sales history with Square was sufficient for a $10,000 loan, allowing him to purchase equipment and open on schedule. Comparing Square Capital to alternatives in 2025 traditional bank loans banks typically require more documentation, have stricter credit requirements, and fund slowly. Square Capital is faster and easier for small businesses with limited credit history. Online lenders competitors like Kabbage, Blue Vine, and Fundbox also offer small business loans with fast funding, but Square's integration with its payment ecosystem can provide a more seamless experience. Business credit cards while flexible and with potential rewards, credit cards often carry high interest rates. Square Capital offers a fixed fee and variable repayment, which can be more manageable for cash flow. Tips for using Square Capital responsibly. 1. Evaluate your sales trends. Make sure your business has enough volume to handle the automatic repayment without straining cash flow. 2. Use for short-term needs. Square Capital loans are best for immediate expenses or bridging short-term gaps, not long-term financing. 3. Plan ahead. Factor in the repayment percentage when budgeting so you're not surprised by daily deductions. 4. Monitor your loan balance. The Square dashboard makes it easy to track payments and remaining balance. Use it daily. 5. Combine wisely. If you need larger or longer term funding, consider supplementing with a bank loan or credit line. Security and reliability in 2025. Square Capital leverages the same secure infrastructure as Square's payment processing, ensuring that financial data is encrypted and protected. Transactions are monitored for fraud, and customer support is readily available for any questions or concerns. So, the big question. Is Square Capital worth it or leave it? If you run a small business with consistent sales through Square and need fast, flexible funding, Square Capital is definitely worth it. If you're seeking the lowest cost financing, have access to traditional loans, or use another payment processor, it may be better to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Square Capital loans in 2025 are a practical, transparent, and flexible financing solution for small businesses needing quick access to capital. Its dynamic repayment structure, fast funding, and integration with Square make it particularly appealing for businesses with fluctuating revenue. While the fees may be higher than traditional loans, the speed, ease of access, and reduced risk make it a strong choice for eligible businesses. For small business owners looking to cover short-term expenses without long-term debt stress, Square Capital is worth serious consideration.